Increasing the server timeout on your Steam Deck can help improve your gaming experience by reducing disconnections. Follow these steps to adjust the server timeout settings. Step 1. Access the Steam Deck settings. Navigate to the Steam Deck's main menu and select the Settings option. This will open the Settings menu where you can adjust various system preferences. Step 2. Go to Network Settings. In the Settings menu, find and select the Network option. This section allows you to manage your internet connection and related settings. Step 3. Open Advanced Network Options. Within the Network Settings, look for an option labeled Advanced or Advanced Network Options. This section contains more detailed settings that can affect your connection. Step 4. Locate Server Timeout Settings. In the Advanced Network option, search for the Server Timeout setting. This may be listed under Connection Stability or Performance Settings. Step 5. Adjust the timeout duration. Once you find the Server Timeout setting, increase the duration as desired. Save your changes and exit the Settings menu to apply the new timeout duration. By following these steps, you should be able to increase the server timeout on your Steam Deck, leading to a more stable gaming experience. Enjoy your gaming.